Hello, my name is Sarah Bowman with the Sisko team at Keller Realty. Thank you for checking out our real estate video blog. Today I'm going to talk about the best home improvements to increase the value of your home. Please stay tuned and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the best home improvements to increase the value of your home. In general, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make your home more valuable. Number one, and this is an easy one, cleaning and organizing. Remember the old adage, you only get one shot at a first impression? This is so true in real estate. Make the interior of your home shine from the moment someone walks through the door. Declutter countertops and tabletops and remove bulky items in common rooms such as the living room and bedrooms. This will make a home appear cleaner and larger, and therefore more valuable. Also, a fresh coat of paint on the walls, and especially on the baseboards, will work wonders for the value of your home. Number two, bathroom updates, even small ones, are always a smart move. Replacing dated wallpaper, swapping out the vanity mirror or hardware, and replacing old lighting will update the room without denting your wallet. Number three, similar to bathroom updates, any kitchen update will add value to your home. Start by swapping out just one item, such as a stained sink or an ancient microwave, for a shiny new stainless model. Even small kitchen updates will add big value to your home. Number four, replace worn carpets or rugs. Nothing turns buyers off more than the thought that they will immediately need to replace all of the flooring in a home. Ideally, you may want to replace them all, but if a limited budget puts a snag in this plan, start by replacing the carpet in the room that shows the most wear and replace the others as your finances allow. Number five, sit down with a professional for just an hour. Whether you meet with an interior designer, a contractor, or even a real estate agent, ask questions about what's going to look and function the best and what most people ask for as far as repairs or remodels. A real estate agent can even tell you what buyers are looking for in today's market. Thank you for checking out our real estate video blog, and remember, even small improvements such as paint or furniture placement can go a long way toward improving the look and feel of your home.